praying for you. As this mic on, have to break the silence, 'cause words are stronger than all our lions. I let you kiss me if you say you miss me. I just wanna feel alive. So suck it up. If you can't ignore me, I live alive. You should record this. Look at me flying, so satisfying. See you bluffing when you act like nothing. You know better, babe. You know better, babe. You know better. Why you letting down everyone around you? Now something's gotta change. Something's gotta change. You know better. You know better than the life.
Hey, welcome to the small account. It's live. It's November 21st, and I've got a one trade left in the small account, so it's pre-market. Gonna watch here. It's almost 6 o'clock. So yeah, back at pre-market here again. I thought about waiting till the bell, but I'm here, so why not? Let's go ahead and just watch. I already took a trade this morning before I even opened up the stream, and that was right here on SHC as it was hitting the scan first thing this morning. It was popping, popping, popping. The scanner was just lighting up, going crazy. And as this pulled back, I bought it at the VWAP, looking for continuation and didn't get it. It came down, stopped me out. So I took a loss on it. Had trouble selling it, so ended up with slippage. My risk is 50 bucks. So I lost $12 more than I had intended. That happens. Slippage is part of the game. Don't see that a lot in the simulator, so, but it's to be expected when you're trading live. So I want to warn you that it is a bit of a snooze fest again. So 6 o'clock is coming up. Sometimes we get some headlines at 6 and maybe something will start popping up. So I see ENSC over here was popping up on the scan, but it's dying out. Got IMGO at the top of the gap scan. Yeah, that looks like a buyback. ICU. Oh, let's go back to IMGO here. Yeah, some kind of deal. Cancer focused. This is not something that I'm interested in. Tightening range. I think that might be the thing this morning. ICU is the second leading gapper. SHC is the third leading gapper. And SHC, you know, the consolidation's not too bad looking. So, I don't know. There may be a trade there yet. I wonder what the market is looking like now. So on the SPY right here. Okay, we got that monthly bounce going. Nice little weekly higher low and a higher high. We have this doji. Not quite a shooting star. Bulls put in this higher low. Now looking for a higher high. As long as we hold 390.14, anything above that is just a higher low. If we pull back from here, ideally bulls want to keep just moving up here to get over 402.31 to see continuation on the weekly time frame and break over that red candle. What are we looking like? Okay, we're trading on the trading inside the range of yesterday. Just tightening up here. See this tightening range just getting tighter and tighter. We're a minute away from 6 o'clock. Oh, look at me. I've got a head. Yay, I got a ghost head. Woo! Sorry about that. All right. Tempting to want to buy SHC. So you get that high and then this low and then this lower high. Looking for this to be the higher low and a break over 779 and a move up toward the high here. It's certainly possible. I'd like to see a little pullback on the 5-minute here before the breakout. The problem is the volume is so light, and that's what has me not wanting to jump in it. It's possible that it'll start to make its move, and then as it breaks through, the volume will start to come in. But I'm just not willing to take a risk on that, not with the volume being that light. So I'm gonna wait for something better to come along. I get one more trade, and I certainly don't want to waste it on a somewhat mediocre trade like that. So I'm gonna wait. I'm sure something will pop up here. It's 6 o'clock now. We have ELP. No news on it, but it has been moving up. However, light on the volume. I was just looking at SHC. I see the pullback here. A little bit more volume there, but it's still not what I want to see. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm sure something's going to come along here any minute, right? Okay, I'm in this one here. But I got filled a little on the high side. My stop loss is at 614, which would be right here. Trying to catch this one on a move up, and it looks like it might poop out on me. We'll see if it does here. So my entry is at $6.34. Yeah, that's coming back a little too far. I'm going to give it a chance to come back up. I should take the stop right now, but it pulled back to $6, so I'll see if it bounces off 6. That one had the volume, it was moving up. I tried to jump in it to catch that momentum, and it just kind of died out here, so that's unfortunate. Not the quality setup, but thought maybe I'd have a chance there to ride that momentum as it broke out over the high. Let's see if we can get some buyers buying off of $6 here. That candle's about to close, so it's not strong. Not the way I wanted it to be. Yeah, let's see if it'll let me even sell this. It's giving me some problems. I'll hold it off of 6. I'll just, you know, I hate to do this because I'm already down more than I should be. I was exercising on my ball and I heard the scanner going off, and I came running over here and I typed in the stock and entered some stop parameters. And before I knew it, it had taken off on me. So my target is all the way up in the $70 range, or 670s range up there. So ideally, you'd want to hold 6. If it breaks 6, I'm going to have to take myself out of the trade here. It's looking like that it might break 6 here. A new 5-minute candle. It's possible it comes back into this area back in here. So yeah, that's looking like a break down. I'm going to take my loss. It did not sell. I'm having issues with selling this morning. That's the second time I've had to deal with slippage because it wouldn't sell when I was trying to get it to. So yeah, pulling back to the VWAP. Unfortunately, that was my second trade of the day. So red on both trades. I'm starting to think that maybe pre-market is not the way to go here. So the struggles in the small account continue. So my max loss for the small account in one day is $150, and I'm down $155. So I'm right there at my maximum loss. So if I go to my spreadsheet and I put this in here, so the challenge for this was to find out how long or how hard would it be to grow a small account based on the strategy that I use. And so far, my strategy doesn't work so well for a small account where you only get 3 trades per week. Now, one thing I could do, today is the 21st, I could maybe look into turning this into like a swing trade type of challenge where I only take swing trades and we can scout out some possible. Oh, this is not right. That would be awesome. But the thought has occurred to me to see I'm down 200 now in the account since I've started. I was up over 200, so I've swung completely back the other direction now, down negative 200. Had that little kind of bear flag there. Made a little bit of money on that last trading day. Today, buying into, and I did this twice where I bought into the momentum and then it just kind of pooped out on me, both over here on SHC and then again here on NWTN. So there have been times where you buy something like that and it just keeps on going, and this is just not one of those days. The market, I guess the momentum hasn't been there lately. I'm thinking I haven't been trading the live market much, so I don't have a good sense of what the market's been doing. I've been stuck in the simulator for a while, and that's going to change here very soon. Won't be long and I'll be trading live in the market every single day. So yeah, I may think about this. I might reevaluate the small account challenge. It sucks to be going in the wrong direction. I think this strategy that I use is better suited towards an account where I can trade multiple times in a day, every single day. So I'm going to give it some thought. We'll take a look maybe at some swing trading. I mean, I think that would be beneficial if anybody's interested in swing trading. We could certainly look into that. Swing trading, if you're not familiar, that's where you buy and you hold for a few days to a few weeks, and yeah, it's a possibility. We could take a look at that. Look at some larger cap stocks, maybe look at the overall stock market. I'll visit that over the next week or so here, and meanwhile, keep trading in the simulator. I will see you next time, and I want to thank you for tuning in for this, and I'm going to go edit this video because it's very long. You take all the parts out that don't need to be in there. We'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your day. Happy trading today. Happy Monday. Have a great week, and see you next time.